On YouTube, welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to look at 24 stocks that I just purchased, as well as some crypto movements I had in the PayPal account, crypto.com, and the Coinbase account. If you like the type of content, hit the like button for me. I'd really appreciate that. Subscribe, hit that bell if you would like to follow my journey. Hit the description below if you want to read about what this channel is all about, as well as hit any affiliate links for free cash or free stocks. And lastly, follow me on any social media platform, links below in the description. So let's jump into it. Starting out with Coinbase, we have a portfolio valued at $574.11. Just looking at some of the holdings real quick, we got Uniswap, Bitcoin, Year Finance, Ethereum, Tezos, Litecoin, Zcash, Chainlink, Ethereum Classic, OMG Network, Stellar, Wrap Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, EOS, DAI, AAVE, and the Graft. We'll go over this again later on in the video as I had some more gains, and we'll go a little bit more in depth. Now, starting out with the 24 stocks I just purchased, these are all made in Robinhood, and these are all toward the long-term portfolio. I will, at the end of the video, go back to Robinhood and give you guys the full names along with the tickers. A lot of these are ETFs. So I don't really know every ticker for some of these ETFs by heart. I know the main ones like SPY, VIG, things of that nature. Some of these are individual stocks though, and the ones that I do recognize, I will give you guys a brief description on. So we bought $25 worth of IWD. I'm sorry, $95 worth of IWD, which is 64% of a share at a strike price of $147.46. Then we purchased $96 worth of ticker CE, which is 64% of a share at $147.86. Then we purchased $97 worth of BILL, BILL, which is 65% of a share. Strike price is $149. We purchased $98 of ALXN, which is 65% of a share at a strike price of $150.10. Then we purchased $99 worth of Hershey, HSY, which is 65% of a share at a strike price for $150.38. Then we purchased $100 of ticker RHS, which is 66% of a share. Strike price is $150.85. Then we purchased $101 worth of QDEL, which is 66% of a share. Strike price is $151.71. Then we purchased 102 of DoorDash, DASH, which is 66% of a share. Strike price is $154.50. Then we purchased 103 worth of PTH, which is 67% of a share. Strike price is $152.25. We purchased 104 worth of ticker RETL, which is 67% of a share. Strike price is $155. Then we purchased 105 of MTUM, which is 67% of a share. Strike price is $155.27. Then we purchased 106 worth of TXG, which is 67% of a share. Strike price is $157. We purchased 107 of TSCO, which is 68% of a share. Strike price is $155.82. Then we purchased $108 of XLY, which is 69% of a share. Strike price is $156.15. Then we purchased 109 worth of PDD, which is 68% of a share. Strike price is $158.58. Then we purchased 110 of ticker IWN, which is 70% of a share. Strike price is $156.96. We purchased $111 of GPI, which is 70% of a share. Strike price is $157.17. Then we purchased $112 worth of ARE, which is 70% of a share. Strike price is $158.35. Purchased $113 of GLD, which is a gold miners ETF, 70% of a share. Strike price is $159.35. We purchased $114 worth of FIVN, which is 70% of a share, which is $161.10 of a strike price. Then we purchased $115 of FBT, which is 71% of a share. Strike price is $161.87. Then we purchased $116 worth of VBR, which is 71% of a share. Strike price is $162.41. Then we purchased $117 worth of Expedia EXPE, which is 70% of a share. Strike price is $166.56. Then we purchased $118 worth of JKL, which is 70% of a share. Strike price is $166.81. Then we'll take a look at some crypto movements real quickly. This is in crypto.com. Our portfolio is valued at $75.89. We have some movement in Polkadot, DOT. It is up 4.97% on the day, valued at $23.10. Then once again with the Coinbase, as you can see, we have more run-ups. It's now valued at $588.48. We got Uniswap valued at $40.93. We have 1.19% of a token. We got Herein Finance valued at $38.07. We got Bitcoin valued at $36. Ethereum is valued at $34.87, which is 2% of a coin. We got Tezos valued at $34.33, which is 8.11% of a coin. And we are earning a 4.63% APY for staking Tezos here on Coinbase. Then Link or Chainlink is valued at $33.30. We have 1.13% of a token. Zcash is valued at $32.93, which is a quarter of a coin. And then we got Litecoin valued at $32.53, which is 17% of a coin. We got Ethereum Classic valued at $32.25, which is 2.76% of a coin. Then here we had some movement in EOS. It is valued at $28.49. It is we do have 7.37% of a coin. Then we have PayPal here. Portfolio is valued at $401.24. As you see, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Bitcoin was up 2.56% on the day. It's valued at $109.68. Ethereum was up 4.96% on the day, valued at $99.86. Bitcoin Cash was up 2.77% on the day, valued at $91.71. Then Litecoin was up 3.64%, valued at $99.99. If you're into crypto, look at some of the coins I have, some of the tokens I have, do your research and see if it's something you want to invest in. If not, if you don't own any crypto, I really highly recommend you taking a look into it. It's just a hedge against the fiat currency, and I do believe digital currency will be the new wave. As for the stocks, we'll take a look into the Robinhood real quick. I would advise you guys to look at any of the shares that I just bought, and do your due diligence, of course, and see if they're anything you want to buy. So we'll scroll down here and we'll take a little bit closer look at what we got on the day for these 24 buys. As you can see, I have a bunch of different shares here. Alright, starting out with JKL. This is the iShares Morningstar Small Value ETF. You'll notice a whole bunch of different hedge funds, like iShares, Vanguard, etc. The ones that I choose are very good and have a very great track record, when it comes to these hedge funds. I love ETFs because they give you plenty of diversification, and they usually have low volatility, low risk, and they typically pay out a great dividend. This is provided by Morningstar. This is a small value ETF, so the best value companies that are small by market cap are going to be in this ETF. Then we purchased, of course, Expedia. I'm sure everybody's pretty much familiar with Expedia and what they do. It's an online travel company. Everybody uses Expedia if you're going to travel to check prices. You can go on there and check Expedia and get different pricing for different airlines and things of that nature. Similar to like hotels.com for hotels and stuff like that. So definitely a long-term play. People are going to start to travel more as the economy starts to reopen even more with the vaccinations and everything after the pandemic. So you ought to see a spike in the pricing and the revenue for Expedia over the next year. Then we got a Vanguard small cap value ETF. This is very similar to this iShares. They're both small cap value ETFs. Going off market cap, the smaller companies out of the New York Stock Exchange, the ones with the best value are going to be in these ETFs, so they will have a lot of growth in them. Next we have First Trust NYSE Biotechnology ETF. This is provided by First Trust. Very good fund as well. Biotech is a very innovative space, and it's going to continue to grow massively here in 2021. So definitely a great way to invest in biotech sector of the market is through an ETF. Then we got 5.9. As you can see, it's doing very well, very great growth stock. This company here engages in the provision of cloud software for contact centers. I invest in a lot of cloud data companies, as you do need a place to store your data for these major firms and businesses, as well as you're going to need security in these clouds to protect against hackers and things, cyber attacks and things of that nature, with all your information or your data. So definitely a great company there. Next is Alexandria Real Estate Equities. This here is a nice REIT. It's going to be a monthly dividend payer. You can expect real estate to do very well in 2021 as well. And this one has a 2.67% dividend yield. So you're going to get that monthly passive income holding this stock. Then we got GPI, Group 1 Automotive. Also very great, pretty good growth, nice dividend payout. And they engage in the automotive retailing industry. And they operate through, United States, Brazil, and the U.S. They sell new and used cars, light trucks, arrange related vehicle financings, selling services contracts. They provide automotive maintenance and repair services, and sells vehicles. This is a company out of Houston, Texas. It's been open since 1995. As you can see, they beat EPS, great analyst ratings, small dividend payout, great PE ratio, pretty nice market cap. So the automotive industry is always going to make money, buying and selling used cars and fixing cars and things of that nature, refinancing them. So definitely a nice long-term play. Then we got an iShares fund. This is the Russell 2000 ETF value. So similar to the other ones that are small cap, this is going to be the best valued companies out of the Russell 2000, which are particularly smaller companies as well. And it's going to give you the ones with the best value. So definitely a great investment there. Then we got PDD. This here is a company that is a holding company which engages in the development and management of e-commerce platforms. So definitely a great buy here, as e-commerce has really boomed here in 2020, and we continue to do so. This is a relatively new company. We click here and see started back in mid 2018. Then we got XLY, consumer discretionary select funds, and this is going to track a market cap weighted index of consumer discretionary stocks drawn from the S&P 500. So that's going to be a definitely great buy there. Then we got Tractor Supply. Everybody pretty much knows about Tractor Supply. They do retail sale of farm and ranch products. Very, very popular household name here with Tractor Supply, and a great company. I just can't say enough good things about these guys. I see Tractor Supplies everywhere, and they have great products like John Deere and all kinds of other things. So definitely a great long-term buy there as well. Then we got TXG, 10X Genomics, which is a genomic company, of course. It is a life science technology company which engages in building products to integrate, understand, and master biology. Geonetics and stuff like that is another strong thing for the coming years, with technology and stuff like that. You got other funds like Arca and Kathy Woods investing into this sector as well. Then we have MTUM, which is the iShares US Momentum Factor ETF, and this is going to be market weighted as well, with large and mid cap US companies selected and weighted based on a price appreciation over a 6 to 12 month period, and low volatility over the past 3 years. So great growth and low volatility here in this fund, also with a very small dividend payout as well. And as you can see, it's been growing at about 14% a year. So definitely a good investment there. Then we got Dectron Daily Retail Bull, 3X shares. So this is going to follow the retail sector of the market, and it is a bull 3 times. So It's going to go up 3 times the amount. When regular retail ETFs go up. I like this one because of everything opening back up. The retail sector of the market will be profitable this year. Will make a lot of money. So getting a 3 times return on that is going to be great. Then we got PTH, PowerShares, DWA, Healthcare Momentum. This is a healthcare fund. It's going to select the best healthcare companies with the most momentum to gain for the year and coming years. Healthcare is very big. People are focused on health more than ever due to the pandemic. So you can expect this to continue to be profitable. Then we got DoorDash. Everybody knows about DoorDash. It's basically an e-commerce company that you order food like Uber Eats and stuff like that. A lot of people use their services, so definitely a great buy here. As you can see, it has been beaten down. Let me see. They just IPO'd recently, which was late 2020. But of course, with the recent dip in the market, they took a big dip. They were up, 17%. Early mid-February. So of course that recent dip put them back in the red. But I expect this company to bounce right back. Then we got QDEL. This here, they engage in the development, manufacturing, and market of rapid diagnostic testing solutions. So great play here. Kind of in the healthcare sector, they're going to come out with different kind of devices that you can use at home, plug into your phone. Devices they can sell to hospitals and things of that nature. Then we got RHS, which is a S&P 500 equal weighted consolidation fund. Then we got AL. I might have purchased these yesterday. Let me check. March 7th. I purchased so many over the weekend. Yeah, these were all from yesterday's video that I dropped. I purchased 23 stocks yesterday. HRS is going to be the last one. So yeah, those are going to be my 24 picks for the day. Like I said, do your own due diligence. Look into them. See if there's any funds or ETFs. I suggest everybody have some funds and ETFs. At least 40 to 60% of your portfolio should be in some type of fund or ETF, just for massive diversification, which I love because it's going to lower your volatility. Once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Check out these stock picks and these cryptos that I showed you guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to continue to follow my journey. I appreciate it.